Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply filters to items in the Bimba Lola application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just start the shopping. You can press on shop now, for example, and you can see the filters in the top of your right corner. You can press on them. You can sort the items by the newest, by price low to high, by price high to low. You can select the size there, for example XS, S, M, L and the others. You can also select the color here, for example blue. And you can also set the price range here, the minimum and the maximum price. And finally you can just press apply down below. And after doing so, you will be able to see all of the items that match your filters here. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.